Brr! It's Cold Snap Science!
Hi, thank you for joining the Pioneer Library System today. My name is Miss Amber, and today on Cold Snap Science, we're going to be making freezing bubbles. The perfect time to blow freezing bubbles is when it's between 9 and 12 degrees. That means you're probably going to want to do this in the morning or the evening as the temperatures start to drop, now that the weather is getting a little bit warmer. All you'll need for this experiment is some bubble solution and really cold temperatures. If you don't have bubbles at your house already, at the very end of this video, there is a recipe to make your own bubble solution. For some extra fun, you could even try to add a drop of food coloring. It's best if you can find a spot out of the wind, or if you can suspend the bubble on your bubble wand. It will freeze right in front of your eyes, but it's easier said than done. On this bubble, you can start to see the crystalline patterns forming. But as it bursts, it looks more like an eggshell than an actual bubble. Here's a picture of a frozen bubble right before it burst. If you would like to make your own bubble solution at home, you'll need 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of light Karo syrup, or 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Last thing you'll need are 4 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. Have fun and stay warm.